Today I am doing the colors of the flowers for February. February colors are primrose and lavender. February flower colors. February flower names are Primrose and Violet. It is February and it is Black History Month, and as you saw in my first February video, I said I'll be using a black owned palette, eyeshadow palette, for each look I create in February. At the end of the video, I will show you who black owned palette I am using for this February flower name eyeshadow look. The first color is called Raspberry. The second color is called Vacation. It's an orange color. The first color is like a mauve berry color. I am using all these different colors because Primrose comes in a large assortment of colors. Our Power of Love card, we need to see what we are looking at today. Ooh, okay. Power of Love card. This color here is called Picnic. It's like a pink. Primrose and Violet are the color flowers. Primrose and Violet are the colors of the flower. I'll get it right. Primrose and Violet are the flowers for February. When you create eye looks, have fun with your makeup. Perfection is not a thing. Perfection is an illusion. If you wait to be perfect to use your eyeshadow makeup, you will not ever use it because you will always think that you are not good enough or you don't apply it well enough, and your makeup will sit there and you'll keep procrastinating. Have makeup fun. This color is called Popsicle. It is a true orange. Popsicle. You remember the popsicle truck when it came to your house? Today's Power of Love card is Trust. You have a strong connection to your soul's loving voice and have faith in your intuition. Trust is today's Power of Love card. Trust yourself in the decisions that you make. Trust your inner self, and that will reflect on the outer self. This color right here is called Flowers. It meshed right into the first color, Raspberry. They're not even the same in the pan, but they are the same on the eyes. You'll have to intensify raspberry again, because this is raspberry right here. Raspberry berry. Remember that song? By Prince. Was it Prince? I think it was Prince. Now for the violet, we are coming in right here. That's for the violet flower name for February. I'm just tying the first color now to the other colors because I wasn't sure if I was going to put anything else in between it. Now that I'm not, I am tying them together. One eye is always bigger than the other. Now I need a little shimmer. So we are going into heat. It's called heat. This is so pretty. So pretty. This is a cute color. I'm taking this one, it's called Stargazing. That's another shimmer. I'm going to put it right here. Which popcorn you like the best? Popcorn with butter or just plain old popcorn? Let me know in the comments which popcorn you like the best. Always remember, self is first, love self plenty, take care of self, and this is my look for today. It is the flowers for February, which is Primrose and Violet. Primrose comes in an assortment of colors, so I wanted to reflect that, and the Violet. These are the two flowers for the month of February. In the comments below, let me know your thoughts and your feelings. Remember, you are important to you. You are very, very valuable to you. Don't let anyone else tell you anything different. Bye.